What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video. Today's video is not clickbait. I know I got y'all that one time with the WRX, but this day I'm about to take delivery of another vehicle. So I got the GR Corolla about a week ago, and today I'm about to take delivery of my Integra Type S. So a lot of you guys in the comment section has been like, oh, since I got this, I'm not getting the Integra Type S. I never confirmed, never denied, but today is the day. I'm about to head to the dealership now, handle the paperwork, and then bring it back home. So follow me on this journey. Here we go. Made it to Mike Savoy Acura here where the car is at. Let me get in here, handle my paperwork, but I'm about to take a peek at the car real quick. Y'all can't see it till later, but I'll do a reveal at the end when all is said and done. Oh dang, that thing look good.
Those old man rims.
Oh man, rims. Those the best rims.
Look at the color. Alright.
This is the color I really wanted, especially with my A-Spec. This is my most coveted color. But let me get in here. Y'all a sneak peek before the actual reveal. Got the Alcantara steering wheel, got the titanium shift knob. But yeah, let me handle this paperwork first. Signing my life away. Ooh. Almost there though, taking the papers back to the finance office, and I gotta finish signing for like the odometer, and I'm able to transfer a plate, and that's gonna save me a few $100, so happy about that. So this is it, my 2024 Acura Integra Type S. So let's take a look around here and see what I got on here. RIP to my Integra A-Spec. This isn't it, but this is the color I had with the red interior. But this right here, this is that new. So a few options that I can see on here that I got. I got the black badges. I got the illuminated Acura emblem in the middle. Coming around the side. I got the bronze wheels. Really wanted these. I'm shocked that some people didn't like these. I love these wheels. I got the carbon fiber mirrors right here. Then going around to the back of the car, I got the carbon fiber wing back here. Look at the weave on there. It's aggressive. Like I said, I got the black badges, Acura badge, Type S badges. Check out these pipes. Lighting is bad right now, but you bear with me. But yeah, this is gonna be it. This is the replacement for my other Integra. We got another Integra, so there we have it. So let's get on the inside real quick. And you can see the sun. The sun is right above us, so we got some flake in that white paint right there. So it's a little bit of an off-white. It's not as I don't want to say it's championship white, it's dull, but this is the brighter white. The championship white. Stepping on the inside, you already know what color I went with on the inside. And also, this is the demo vehicle. This is the demo vehicle that most of the dealerships got. That's why I got all these options. I would have wanted some of these options on here, like the wheels, the carbon fiber wing. I don't know about the mirror caps, but this is how it came. I didn't have a choice. This is the demo. They want to show off everything. I got the illuminated seal badges. Does it come in the back seat too? Let me see. Yes, even in the back seat, the back seal back there. And it's only a 4-seater. Got cup holders in the middle down there. Got the red guts. We got the black perforated. So my other Integra, it was like red in the middle, but now I got the black coming around here. Type S embossed in the seat. I got an Alcantara steering wheel, and we still don't have a heated steering wheel. So that's where the button would go. I don't know if you can get the heated steering wheel with the Alcantara option here, but I did talk about that. It's a completely different steering wheel for each one. The base steering wheel is perforated, and then I think if I wanted the heated steering wheel, I would have to go down to a non-S type Integra to get that. Sitting down in here, I got the titanium shifter, titanium shift knob. It's gonna be brutal in the summers and wintertime, but we got it. And I got to come back and get the rest of my stuff that comes with the car. And then I like this red accent that goes around here. No sunroof, because these don't come with the sunroof to add rigidity. I'm a happy camper. This is the car that I wanted. I know a lot of you guys thought that I wouldn't get it because I got the GR Corolla, but I told y'all I'm getting this car. I put it on that short. I said it in a few videos. We here to make the content with this, so we got both of them to make the content with. This is about to be great. So the main difference between my Integra A-Spec with a 1.5 liter and this Type S is we got more displacement. So now we got the 2 liter turbo. Oh my God. Still got a prop ride. But yeah, look at this engine bay. Look at this right here. We got the shuck in all that air. Type S right there. Man. This looks gorgeous up under here. Shout out to race car friends and the rest of the mini culture. But yeah, race car friends couldn't find his windshield wiper fluid on his Boost Blue Civic Type R because it kind of matches this cap right here. And I think these reservoirs are really tiny because this thing is filled up and we both ran out of windshield wipers on my Integra and his Type R in like a couple months. So if you don't know, the mini culture, that's myself, race car friends, Blueprint 1LE, and 100 Gang Nate. So now we got 1 Type S, 2 Type R's, and whatever Blueprint gets, if he gets something. But that's what we got here. So I guess we kind of Honda gang now. Shout out to Honda across the street. But yeah, man, this Integra, like I was very serious when I was saying I loved my Integra, and I did not want to let that car go. And the only thing that could replace my Integra was an Integra. So we back at it again to keep on going with it. So you're going to see a lot of comparisons between this and the GR Corolla, even though this is like a luxury car, so to say. But I'm here to make the content, man. So people want to choose either or, neither nor, but I'm here to bring the information on that. But I'm about to enjoy this car because I got to get to going. Extremely excited to get behind the wheels. I haven't set up anything. My phone is not paired. I haven't heard the exhaust, but we'll check that out in the first drive video. And then I got to take it easy because I got to break in on this one. The GR Corolla, I got it was used, so it had miles on it, and so I was able to go straight to a like balls to the wall type of video. But this is the demo, and it's only got 7 miles on here. Let me show y'all that real quick. So nobody has driven this car really except for the person that went to put some gas up in here and myself. So 7 miles. I'd like to give a huge shout out to this Acura dealership, Mike Savoy Acura here in Troy, Michigan, in the Suburban Collection Strip where all these other dealerships are. It's a Subaru dealership across the street and Honda, but they treated me so well here. Shout out to the sales manager Carson here. He took care of me, got me this. I was able to secure this car. And shout out to Hoover. He's a extremely pleasant person to work with. He was my sales guy, got everything that I wanted done on the car, kept me in the loop, contacted me frequently to where I know what was going on with the car. And I was supposed to get the car a couple days ago, but with these type of cars, only the service manager was able to install these options on here. So one person installed everything, so if something mess up, we know who to go see. But yeah, and Hoover was able to save me some money too, because I'll be getting a little money back buying this car, because I was able to transfer a plate on here on one of my old plates that I got. So save me some money with the registration, because my birthday just passed and it would suck to have to pay registration again on another car. Feels up to me though, because the demos, I think they're all white. This would have been my top choice, but I like the red interior, so I think the white would have been my favorite choice. Not gray, nothing against gray or the Tiger Eye Pearl. And shout out to the Plasma Data. He gave me my first super chat, or my super thanks, and he also has one of these, so go check out his channel. I'll link him down below. He got the Tiger Eye Pearl and he just took delivery of his within the last week. So that's what all I'm gonna leave you all with today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse this channel. I'm about to rack up some miles so I can get this thing to break-in period. Gotta be doing some driving this weekend, a whole lot of driving. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.